Welcome to Don't Learn Polarion Before Watching This. Discover the essential insights you need before starting your Polarion journey with hopeinfotech.com. Thinking of a career in Polarion ALM? Polarion helps manage requirements, testing, compliance, and end-to-end product lifecycle management across various industries. This video will show you how Polarion ALM manages requirements, testing, and compliance. What is Polarion? It's a powerful application lifecycle management platform. It manages requirements, testing, quality assurance, and compliance in one system. Polarion enables requirements management, test automation, quality assurance, workflow tracking, and team collaboration. Polarion ALM offers key features like requirement tracking for visibility and traceability, test management to efficiently track test cases, and workflow automation to accelerate project delivery. These features simplify application lifecycle management and improve product quality. The benefits of Polarion include improved productivity by streamlining workflows, complete traceability by connecting requirements and tests, and enhanced product quality through efficient test management and collaboration. The Polarion roadmap typically involves requirement planning, system configuration, workflow setup, the testing process, and finally, project deployment. In conclusion, Polarion ALM is future-ready, streamlining requirements, testing, and compliance, improving traceability and product quality. Learning Polarion opens doors for career growth in ALM, quality management, and product development, making it a valuable skill. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us to secure your future today. You can contact us via our phone or visit our website,